Dambisa Moyo, Winner Take All, China's Race for Resources and What It Means for the World. Embark on an informative journey observing China's ascendancy to global superpower status in Winner Take All by Dambisa Moyo. This seminal work provides keen insights into China's resource-driven strategy fueled by investments in natural resources worldwide. Delving into China's acquisition of American and Swedish iconic brands, its aggressive spending, and its reverberating impact, the book offers a comprehensive analysis of the nation's strategic approach to economic and political challenges. Get ready to absorb crucial knowledge about China's race for resources and its implications for the world, as Moyo masterfully breaks down their foreign investment, financial positions, and projections for a resource-scarce future.
China's resource acquisition tactics. China's aggressive resource acquisition tactics are shaping its position as a superpower in the global economy. With its vast foreign currency reserves, China is investing heavily in natural resources all around the world. The country's government and companies have been searching for both physical and financial assets. China has purchased several companies, including the personal computer division of IBM, the Swedish brand Volvo, and has invested billions into projects worldwide. Its appetite for resources such as oil, coal, food, and water is insatiable. While China owns 8% of all U.S. public debt, its investments in resources stand out even more. These tactics show that China's growth is far from insignificant. China's resource-secure future. Lenovo's acquisition of IBM in 2005 signaled China's emergence as a key player in global markets. By 2011, China had made more than 350 foreign direct investments, totaling over $400 billion, a shopping spree driven by its centrally planned economy. Unlike other global powers, China's economic and political strategy focuses on anticipating challenges presented by a resource-scarce future. With the growing middle class in emerging economies like the BRIC nations, demand for basic commodities will skyrocket, putting pressure on the planet's resources. The Chinese have taken an unusual approach to securing their sources of supply. Their voracious commodity appetite is unlikely to abate even if economic growth rates cool. As China embraces consumerism, scarcity of raw materials will intensify, with a significant impact on the manufacturing of everyday items like cell phones and cars. China's resource rampage. China's population boom, industrialization, and extreme ambition have placed the country's resources under tremendous pressure. The deficiency of arable land, water scarcity, and up-and-coming oil shortages have prompted China to acquire natural resources across the world, with Africa being a significant source of arable land for growing food and biofuel. The country's approach of lending money and accumulating friends has served its global resource strategy, including investing billions in modern plants to turn seawater into freshwater. China has also pledged $250 billion to assist Brazil in extracting its underwater oil reserves. China's rapid expansion in the global logistics industry through its investment in Greece's port exemplifies its comprehensive resource plan, taking ownership of precious natural resources worldwide and ensuring their transportation is under the Chinese government's control. China's investments in emerging economies. China invests in emerging economies throughout Africa and Latin America, incurring mutual benefits for both parties. Rather than relying on discounted cash flow models that Western countries use, China's investment strategy is based on a reciprocal principle. Their investments could be seen as a form of insurance policy against revolution, as they must provide jobs and services for their massive population. China's bid over natural resources is not only a monopsonist strategy but could indeed lead to cornering the market as well. China's symbiotic global relationship. China has established a symbiotic relationship with many nations worldwide, including the U.S. In this arrangement, China provides goods for Americans, and the U.S. provides debt for China to invest in. Both parties benefit from this interdependence. China has extended such relationships globally, becoming a major player in some markets and setting prices. However, this rise to prominence has not been without political controversy. Critics accuse China of dumping, and tensions arise when it comes to energy resources and national security. Despite these challenges, China's pursuit of global buying continues to strengthen its position as a prominent world power. China's resource strategy. China has a resource-rich landscape that presents a unique opportunity for foreign companies to find and explore resources within its borders. However, as the value of exploration increases, China limits the foreign companies' rights, while internalizing the benefits of the exploration. Critics argue that China does not engage in worker-friendly practices, as it often sends prisoners and technically skilled staff to projects in other countries. China's growing role in commodity markets also highlights its financial and political importance, considering the upward pressure it creates on prices. Nonetheless, the global conversation surrounding the threatened availability of natural resources leaves it crystal to the fact that the fight is about life or death.
Dambisa Moyo's winner-take-all compellingly illustrates China's multi-pronged mission to secure essential resources like food, oil, and water for its rapidly increasing population and economic demands. While China's extensive spending and aggressive pricing may raise eyebrows, the country's centrality to the global supply chains, symbiotic relationships, and its unique role as the dominant buyer in several markets prove underlying motivations that go beyond mere economic growth. As China sets new standards in international dealings, Moyo invites readers to consider the broader implications of its resource race and the looming scarcities that challenge our planet.